Aloha guys, it's been almost a year since I made my first Ohi'a propagation video. I wanted to share with you guys the progress on how the keiki are doing. Again, this is my first time actually being a plant grower, and this journey has been very humbling and rewarding. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you are either a gardener, a non-gardener, or someone into planting natives, I hope this vlog or journey of me planting Ohi'a inspires you in wanting to plant and care for more of our Hawaii native flora. I convinced Eric to make a greenhouse because we're running out of space to put all the germinated Ohi'a seeds. We need to separate some of them. So yeah, we need to make more space. I'm gonna make a greenhouse right here. So we bought from Easy Tent poles, and then we're just gonna put a screen over. That way it doesn't, all the plants doesn't get like full sun. But yeah, hopefully this project will be good and successful. I'll do a before and after. Alright, we got the tent poles set up above the concrete. Now we're just putting in stakes and then put the mesh thing over.
It's more taut.
Alright, so today we're gonna separate these guys. This one's actually from the original batch from May 2024 that started germinating. This one was back from, I think, October last year. So yeah, these guys, they're not as big as their brothers and sisters, which is these ones. They're doing pretty good. I planted 37, I separated 37 keiki, so let's hope it grows like these guys. Every time I checked on the keiki, I just admire them. I was so surprised when I saw that one of them actually flowered. I didn't know they could flower this young. It was definitely a blessing. Who knew how much gardening can be so humbling and rewarding? I continued to propagate more as our tree had more seeds and used the same method. I was stoked to see how big the keiki grew and how some are now the length of my hand. As you can tell, this is my tallest one. Yeah, it's definitely longer than my hand. Hey guys, so it's been about a year and figure I share with you the progress on the last batches that I helped grew. But anyways, you see these ones, these are the oldest. These are from May. As in the last video, it was the one where I think I repotted them from, like, for example, this, from this kind, and I put them in their 2-inch pots, which is like in these ones. So anyways, this is them. So they're about a 1.5 years old. There was about 20 to 30. However, I only have about in the teens that survived and are still growing. So it's not all successful, but at least I got some to grow. And it's my first time propagating, growing from seeds. So, but I want to say there's about 15 of these. So I wanted to share with you guys things I've learned over these past few months of things I wish I did. Again, it's my first time, so what I do recommend is when the seeds are doing fine, where, you know, I recommend you leave them in this pot. Leave them until they're big, and then just transition them into these 4-inch pots. Don't even bother putting them in this. You're just gonna put more stress to eventually in the future, you know, put them in another pot. So just do one transfer, and then me and Eric's plan on giving these away just in the 4-inch pots until they're bigger. So my recommendation is never mind these 2-inch pots. Just wait till they're super big from where you sprinkled seeds. Just transfer them to 4-inch, so it's less stress on them. A lot of them were wasted in these 2-inch. A lot of them did not make it, so that's something I definitely learned. When you use the seeds, like fresh seeds where you just get it from the tree and then go straight to propagating, it does grow faster. That's what I noticed, but who knows, maybe it could be different like factors with the season, the amount of rain. But yeah, those are the things I learned. I'm excited. I want to say it'll probably take 2 years to really make it a pretty tree. This is only a 1.5 years. These ones are from November last year, so the ones where I sprinkled seeds in my last video. So not bad. It's only about a year old. This one's actually doing well. This is from November too, from seed. So again, Ohi'a are slow growers. Yeah, doing well, still learning, but I'm loving how my little Ohi'a nursery is coming out, and you know, I hope you guys can take some tips from here. And again, I'm just a novice plant grower, so if there's any tips or things that I should be aware of, please let me know. Mahalo guys for watching, and if you've watched both this and my last propagation video, thanks for riding along with me on this journey as I learn more and more each day caring for these keiki. Gardening takes a lot of patience and trials, but it's so worth it in the end. I'll see you guys in the next one. Aloha.